Discover Hair Luminance and what it can do for your hair. Inside, find easy tips to make your hair strong and healthy. Feel excited to try new things and see the results in your hair. With Hair Luminance, your hair can look fantastic and make you feel confident. Let this book show you how to care for your hair and enjoy the journey. Trust that Hair Luminance can make your hair dreams come true. Find out about Hair Luminance and how it can change your hair. Inside, discover simple ways to make your hair grow and look better. Feel happy knowing you can improve your hair easily. With Hair Luminance, your hair can be beautiful and make you feel good. Let this book be your guide to better hair and enjoy the process. Believe that Hair Luminance can help you achieve your hair goals. With each heartfelt revelation, feel your spirits soar as you journey towards hair that reflects the essence of your truest self. With Hair Luminance as your constant companion, let your emotions guide you on this transformative journey, and let each page become a testament to the power of love and acceptance.